Meaning of fir cone.
Fir cone.
Fir cone.
Fir cone.
Fir cone. A fir cone is the reproductive structure of a fir tree. It is a cone-shaped structure that contains the tree's seeds. Fir cones vary in size and shape depending on the species of fir tree they come from. They are typically brown or green in color and have scales that protect the seeds. When mature, the cones open up and release the seeds, which can then grow into new trees. Fir cones are an important part of the fir tree's life cycle and play a vital role in its reproduction and survival.